Thanks for joining us as we visit the Arizona Railway Museum. This place really is a hidden gem tucked away in Chandler, Arizona. Visitors can walk through 12 passenger cars, including Santa Fe high-level coach and transition cars, and Santa Fe observation, coach, dome, and superintendent's cars. They also have a Southern Pacific horse car and South Carolina business car built in 1879.
Yeah, stay here, stay right here, stand right here. So this is the engine, steam engine with all the valves and stuff, and that's how they were able to generate energy. And this engine would move forward and it would pull all those carts that are in the back of the train. Isn't that cool? What's the question?
How do trains stop?
I think they reverse.
Air brake.
Air brakes. The museum was founded in 1983. The address is 330 East Ryan Road in Chandler, Arizona. The museum's hours vary by season since it is Arizona and it gets very hot in the summer, and most of the museum is walking outside. The months of September through May, they are open Saturdays and Sundays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And they are closed June, July, and August, again, due to the heat.
Okay, so what do you want to see first? Do you want to see the area where they put the bags, luggage?
Currently, the admission fee is $40 for a family, and that includes 2 adults and up to 3 children, or $15 per adult and $10 per child. Active military gets free admission with an ID. There is a restroom, a gift shop, and a display building.
Mommy, would you rather?
Are we going, Asher? Going up the stairs? Okay.
All right. Why are you holding your nose, my son?
It might smell a little bit dusty, but he's overreacting.
No, this is
It's some steep stairs.
She looks very comfortable. So you have
Oh,
this,
wow.
you have the water cups area, and so drinking area.
Visitors can walk through vintage rail cars, see the display of railroad artifacts, check out a real caboose, and ring the bell on a steam locomotive.
So, my son, what do we put up here? What's this?
I don't know.
This is- That's where we put our stuff. So that's where we put our stuff. Pretty cool, huh?
People still use
This is important, right?
these. This train. How are these trains literally like so long?
It's multiple cars hooked together with that locking mechanism that Daddy just showed you out there. Oh, and now we have some areas with beds.
Wait, why is there a bed?
Some people, instead of sitting the whole time, they wanted to sleep, maybe.
Pink and beautiful.
Mommy, I see rooms. I see rooms.
I think we're getting into like more of the first class area. Yeah, they have their own rooms.
Pretty cool. I like it. Lots of space.
Daddy, Mommy, hurry up. Come look.
And this one has shower.
Mommy, I am looking.
Oh, this one is bunk bed.
Wow.
Pretty cool.
This is where the people would come out in first class and have their lunch, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Yeah. Hospitality all the way, Santa Fe Express.
How we're here.
The trains go very long, son.
Wow. That's the end.
1937, this is the chef for Super Chief dinner, and you can get sirloin steak for $2.75 back in the.
Oh. Now it's stuck. No.
Those are just the bathrooms.
That's the bathroom. What's this?
Women's bathroom.
Uh.
And then people would climb up here, and they would sit up high
That's pretty high, yeah.
in the seats. I don't know if you're allowed to go up there or not. Oh, this is the caboose. So do you know what the caboose is? Does it go in the front or the back?
But who drives it?
Caboose gets pulled, and it's usually in the back.
What's that over there? Is that where the tumble park is? Over there, the green stuff? That's where we're over there. And so now we're sitting up here. And so, pretty cool. That cool or what?
These are getting
It's okay.
buddy.
Whoa.
Oh, this is super high. What is that? What is that?
This is pretty fancy, this area.
What is that toilet? Oh,
Yep, it's one of the little bathrooms.
what is that toilet? That literally just looks like a frog.
That's good, dude, because it's,
What is
it's a foot
this?
one too. You want to flush it? Press the bottom.
Are you okay?
Daddy, what is this? What is this?
Let me see. Well, that's the for the phone and the electrical wire.
Oh.
Yeah.
And this. But this is not.
Well, that's fancy.
Let's go in here.
Wait, Daddy, want to show me something?
Mommy's following me, and you're following Mom.
Oh, it said animals in this one. Look at this.
Yeah, that's the horse, and so this is a big gate for them, so they can come in and out of here. They put the ramp out, and that's how they get them out. You got their gate. They used to be. This one's not a horse. This is just a sculpture. But the real horses used to be here before. Yes.
Did they die?
Yes, most likely. Yeah, but they probably didn't create it. It's
You want to push the button? Or push it again, you can see inside.
Whoa.
A pepper.
Pepper, what's this one over here?
This train was designed for the apocalypse.
Oh,
Some fruit, oranges in there.
So
on a
this is probably a long haul train because you notice you have the pooping device right here. Like poop right here. Continue your journey.
Wait, do you think this is so if a apocalypse comes, everyone's safe?
Pretty much. That's what it's designed for.
An apocalypse is this once I had a dream a long time ago. I had a dream where zombies were running towards us, and we all had tanks, and we had it, and the zombies that were running towards us, we had like a lot of birds. What did they look? Oh, I guess they left. They're here. Maybe we're here.
These are also fairly comfortable chairs.
Thank you for watching and touring the Arizona Railway Museum with us. If you are in Arizona and love trains and history like we do, make sure to plan a few hours to check it out. See you next time.